Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, dear, good afternoon.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, and how are you? Okay, once again, a very good afternoon to everyone.
Good
Are you
afternoon,
all,
ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon,
okay?
ma'am.
Are you all fine?
Yes. Yes.
Had your lunch?
Yes.
All had your lunch?
Yes.
Okay, so now you are ready to learn something
Yes.
related to GS.
Yes.
And
Yes.
last class, I have given you some work. Do you remember that?
Yes.
Oh, Nora.
Yes.
So you all remember that work?
Yes. Yes.
So what was that work?
Write 10 flowers name.
Yeah, right.
10 flowers name.
Our plant's name. Did all of you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Who all did not write? Who all did not write? All wrote?
Yes.
All of you wrote?
Yes.
Agnes, did you write?
Yes.
Okay. Pranav Vishnu, did you write? Pranav, did you write the homework? Pranav. Hmm? Did you all write? See, Pranav is not answering. Okay.
Yes.
Haven Jose, did you write the homework? Haven, you read. Risa, did you write? Okay. Now I'm going to ask Riza to read out. Huh? Risa will read out the names. Okay.
Amen.
Okay. Please read out one by one. The first one.
Money
Risa.
plant.
Money plant. Very good. 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me just share. Stop share. 1 minute. Something happened to the board. Let me take.
Ma'am, I didn't write.
Wait, who did not write? What happened? Why you did not write?
Ma'am, I don't see the board.
You didn't see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can see. Now you can see.
Yes.
Yeah. Now you can see. Okay. Now Risa will read out. Risa, read out.
Next plant.
1 minute.
Ma'am, I didn't come yesterday.
Pardon me? Pardon me? What happened?
Ma'am.
Hmm? Something is happening to this board.
Ma'am, I didn't come yesterday.
You didn't write?
Yeah.
What happened? What is the reason? Huh?
I didn't.
What is the reason?
Yesterday I didn't come.
You were not there in that last class?
Yeah.
Okay. So to this class you will listen and you will do the work, okay? Okay. So 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. Risa, read out. The one is money plant. Ah,
Snake plant.
what is that?
Snake plant.
Snake plant. Wow.
Mommy, I can see the board.
Okay. Snake plant. Okay. See, others, please listen. Others, please listen. Yeah.
You writing, I cannot see.
Who cannot see?
Amaya.
Amaya, just check who all cannot see.
Ma'am, Sarah.
Sarah also cannot see.
I cannot saw.
You can you all see? Can you all see?
No.
1 minute.
I can see the board, but not writing. We cannot see.
Writing you cannot see. Now let me check. Okay. Now
Yes.
okay. Now you can. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Money plant.
Snake plant.
Snake plant. No.
Yes.
Okay. Have you seen snake plant?
Yes.
Do you have at home?
Yes.
Okay, then.
Orchid.
Orchid, very good.
Ma'am, I have orchid.
You to have orchid?
Yeah.
Okay, next one.
Red
For
pumps.
huh?
Red pumps.
I didn't get. What is that?
Red pumps.
Red palms.
Yes.
Red palms. Okay. Okay, next. Ah,
Mango tree.
yeah, that they are trees. I just asked about the flower plants. Can Agnes Wilson tell me some more names? Agnes Wilson. Wait. Now let Agnes Wilson tell me some more plants name. Agnes. Money plant I already written. Snake plant is there. Did Agnes write the homework?
Yes.
So you read. You read. Huh?
Flower.
Yeah, please read that. Sunflower. Okay. Money plant I have already written. Sunflower.
Sunflower.
Hmm?
Rose.
Rose. Very good.
Marigold.
Which one? Marigold. Huh?
Marigold.
Marigold.
Dahlia.
Yes, dahlia.
Ma'am, lotus. Jasmine.
Lotus.
Jasmine.
Oh, so now all are getting the name.
Ma'am, I will say. Lily.
Jasmine and
Ma'am, snake plant.
lily. Okay. Okay, so now you are familiar with at least 10 names of the flower plants. Yeah. Now, the other day I told you how to grow a plant, how to grow a seed. Do you remember that?
Yes.
So to make a seed to grow, what all the things we have to do? The first point which I told was we have to prepare the mud, isn't it? Prepare the soil. Soil or mud. And I asked you to plant a seed or a plant. Did you do that?
Yes.
So
Yes.
make the soil soft. This no need to write now. I'm just recapping it. Okay? Whatever we learned last time, and I said mix with mix with
Mom.
manure and water. Water. Then keep it.
Ma'am, I will say one.
Keep it
Clean also. Clean.
in the sunlight.
Sunlight.
Okay, this is the procedure. We learned how to plant a small sapling or how to make a seed to grow. Is this clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and I asked you to plant a seed or a small sapling, and you have given me the 10 names of the flower plants. So we learned there are varieties of plants we see in a field. In the field we see like maize, sugarcane, rice. We get rice from where? Wheat plant, sugarcane. Have you seen sugarcane? Maize,
Sugar can be short.
sugarcane. Have you gone to a temple festival where you will get a sweet long stick like?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that is called sugarcane. Okay, now we see in the forest huge big trees. We see in our own house we have mango trees, all this. So different types of trees, plants, small plants will be there, bigger plants will be there. So all this we can see in and around our house. Now we are going to go to another section, how to take care of animals.
Ma'am,
How to
take animals.
care the
Animals.
animals. So how many of you have pet animals in your house?
Ma'am.
Yeah, Janita has, what do you have?
Hen.
Yeah, hens will be there, hens will be there, kitten will be there,
Ma'am. Cats.
cats will be there,
Dogs.
dogs, fish,
Birds. Ma'am, birds.
birds, rabbits,
Yes, rabbits.
rabbits, then a bird. So here we have already written birds. Yes.
Dog.
Huh?
Cow and dog.
Yes. I will write here cow, goat,
Yes.
sheep.
Sheep.
Lovebirds. I have already written birds. All this we take care, isn't it?
Yes.
For example, now cow. What is the purpose taking care of cow? Cow will give us
Milk.
milk and the manure. You get cow dung, isn't it? So the cow dung is useful for the plants.
Yes.
Now, cows we can keep them in the field where we have field. There also cows will be there. There will be cows can be helpful
Can be helpful.
in the field.
Helpful
Helpful in the field.
Helpful in the
Field.
field. Then cows. See, if there are many cows, where we will tie them in a farm. Have you seen any cow farm? Have you seen?
Yes.
Yeah. In the farm, we will see lots of cows, not one or two. Plenty of cows will be there in a farm. So how the cow will be in a house, in a field, or in a farm. So which are the places we find cows? Farm, field, or in a house.
House.
Now, even dogs. Where do we see these dogs? Yeah.
House.
House and in the street. In the street also we see dogs. Even some of the places we see.
One small dog and big dog.
Yeah. So these animals, these are common animals. We see them in the house, in the street, in a field, or in a farm.
Farm.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And now we are going to learn some of the points, how we are going to take care of them. First, we learn the procedure to grow a plant. Okay?
Yes.
Now, how we should take care of them. What can we do to protect plants and animals? Now, first we will see what can we do.
Give a food. Give food.
What can we do to
Give the food.
protect
Protect
plants?
plants.
What all the things we can do to protect plants?
What can we do?
First, the first point, we should not cut.
Vegetable waste.
Wait. Now we are going to take care. First we said that's a procedure to plant a small sapling and how the plants will grow. Now I am going to explain how really we are going to take care of them. So we should not
Should not
cut trees or plants. The first thing what we have to do, we should not destroy cutting them. Okay,
eat them.
cutting the trees and plants. This is the first thing that we have to be very careful. Unnecessarily, we should not cut the trees and
And
plants.
plants.
Okay, now. And use plant cage. Use plant cage to protect
Protect
baby plants.
baby plants. Baby plants.
Like a fencing. So when a baby plant is there, you can put a small fence like. So that is called plant cage.
Plant
Okay.
cage.
And water
Water
the plants.
the plants.
Water the plants
Water the
daily.
Daily.
Okay. So these are the 3 points to be remembered. First is we have to
We have to don't cut
don't cut the trees or
and
plants. The second point,
We use
plant cage. Use plant cage to protect
baby
baby plants. Third point, Water the plants
The plants daily.
daily. So these three things you have to remember.
Remember.
Okay?
Okay.
Now, same way, we have to take care of the animals.
Animals.
How to take care of the animals?
Animals.
Or
How to take care of the animals.
take
Take care
care
the animals.
of how to take care them. How to take care
Take care of the animals.
First, we have to, should not harm them. The first one is, should not harm, harm them.
Making
Okay? Second one is, feed them
kill them
Fill them
with
with
food and water.
wood and water.
and butter.
Food and
Water.
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 So these things we should be aware of when we take care of the animals.
Animals.
Love them nicely, protect them, feel that they have life.
Life.
Plants and animals have life like us. So we should not harm them in any way. We have to take care of them because when we take care of the plants, what they do up for us? They will give us
Milk.
flowers,
Flowers, milk,
fruits, vegetables.
fruits, vegetables.
And animals, when we take care of them, dogs will take care of our house. Have you seen that?
Yes.
Yeah, they will
Yes.
take care of
Take care of house.
our house.
Or our
And what a cat can do?
cat can
Cat will kill the rat.
kill the rat.
The rat will spoil everything in our house. Okay, so the cat will kill the rat. And the cow, sheep, goat, all this, what they will do? They are useful.
Ma'am,
Give.
give the milk.
They give the milk. So,
Milk.
rabbits, we can make it as a rabbit meat and eat.
Yes.
Even cow, even the buffaloes, whatever is there, they are useful for us in our day-to-day lives. See, plants, flower plants, they gave us beautiful
Beautiful.
flowers. Vegetable plants, they will give us vegetables. Fruit trees will provide us with fruits, and the tree can give us the shade.
Yes.
Tree will provide us with shade.
Shade. Ma'am, what
Shade
is
and fruit.
fruit?
Trees can provide us with shade and fruits. When what do you mean by shade?
Yes, what?
The shade means when there is hot sun.
Yes.
There is no umbrella for us. Where do we
Yes.
go and stand? If there is a huge tree, there will be shade and we will go and stand under the tree so that we are protected from the
Shade.
sunlight.
Shade.
Okay? So we can
Okay,
get
ma'am.
shade from the tree to be protected from the sunlight. Is it clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
So the trees help us in different way. It provides us with shade and fruits. And plants, flower plants
And
give
plants.
us
Flower plant give us nice flowers.
yeah, beautiful
Nice, beautiful flowers.
Flowers. Beautiful flowers.
beautiful
Flowers.
flowers and vegetables.
And vegetables.
Okay, veg. Okay, so this is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
I told how to take care of the plants,
Plants
how to
and
grow our plants, how to
and
take care of the animals.
Animals.
Do you have a workbook with you now?
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you have?
Ma'am.
All have the workbook with you?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, those who doesn't have, listen now. I will send in WhatsApp also the notes. Nothing to worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Those who doesn't have, please listen carefully. Pranav, do you have the workbook with you?
Write in the notebook.
Once I send the note, you can write. Okay? The notes will.
No flowers
Ma'am.
name.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
that
we
I.
cannot, ma'am, we cannot rough book. We can write in the rough book.
Yeah, that also you can do. Later, once I send the note, you can write it in your
Okay,
notebook.
ma'am.
Okay.
And page number.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. I'll tell you.
Okay, ma'am.
Page number 33 of workbook.
33.
Page number 33. Let your textbook also be with you. Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay. The first question, you see there is a plant. Trees are shown there.
Yes.
Okay. Can Agnes Wilson read that question? Agnes, please read.
Picture shows.
Yeah, the given picture shows plants in a garden, plants in a field, plants in a house, trees in a forest. Which is the correct answer?
Plants in the forest.
Yeah, the trees in the forest.
Forest.
What is the answer?
Trees in a forest.
The trees in the
Option D.
option D is the correct answer. Next one is below are the pictures of some animals. Find the odd one out.
Tiger.
See, tiger is there, dog is there, and
Frog.
frog is there, and a cat is there. Can you just find the odd one? Huh?
And cat.
Which one is the odd one there?
And which
Ma'am, what is the old one?
Which one is the odd one?
tiger?
Huh?
Tiger.
See, tiger, dog, cat, and frog. In that, which one is not belonging to that group?
Ma'am, frog.
Who said that answer? Huh? Very good. Agnes, it is frog. So the
I
now,
say. Ma'am, I say.
very good. So that's the correct answer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Fill in the blanks using the correct words from the brackets. We find dash types of plants around us. Same types or different types?
Different.
Different types of plants we see
Is in the
around us.
random.
The dash is an animal found in fields.
Which page?
I told it is 33, page number 33 of workbook. The dash, don't worry if you have not kept your workbook with you. I will be sending the answer through WhatsApp today itself. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So you can correct your answer. You can write it in your workbook. Don't worry if there is no workbook with you now. At present, we are discussing. So now I told you there are some animals we can see in the field, in the farm, in the street. So here there are two options. The dash is an animal found in fields. Cow or lion? Cow. It is cow. The cow can be seen in the field. Can any one of you, Ameya, please name two animals which we can see in a zoo?
Lion and tiger.
Very good, lion and tiger. Very good, Ameya. Clap. Yeah. Okay, so you have given the correct answer. So this is how we are going to learn our lesson. Once I explain, so whenever you have GS class, you will keep your textbook as well as workbook with you. Okay, and once we discuss, I'll be sending the answers to you. You can write down the notes in your notebook. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you name a street animal?
Street animal.
Street animal. Can anyone name a street animal?
Dog.
Very good. Very good. Yeah, dog. Dog.
Dog.
Correct answer. Name a plant grown in the field. Name a plant. Now we learned that. Now we learned. Huh? I just finished saying that these are the plants will be grown in a field.
Baby.
Huh?
House. Daddy maize. Daddy maize.
What is that?
Daddy maize.
Paddy.
Yes.
I said sugarcane, maize, wheat or rice. Which are the plants grown in the field?
Rice.
Rice.
Fine.
Huh? Rice. Wheat. Repeat after me. Wheat.
Ma'am. Maize. Maize.
Maize. Maize. Have you eaten the corn?
Yes.
You eat popcorn, isn't it?
Yes.
From where do we get
Yes.
popcorn? From the corn.
From the corn.
So the corn is grown in the maize plant or the corn plant. Okay? So these
Okay,
are the
ma'am.
things. These are the plants which we see in a field.
Field.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Hmm.
Sorry. I cannot.
What happened? What happened? Someone is scolding. I think Pranav's mother is scolding you. Pranav? Okay. So now we learned how to plant the seed, how to plant the plant and how we can make them grow healthy and how we can take care of the plants, how we can take care of the animals. Okay? So in a tree, the tree is useful for not only for us, for all the birds and animals out. How a tree is useful for everyone? See, in the tree we see birds making their nest.
Nest.
Have you seen? And in the
Yes.
tree we see the
And fruit. And fruit.
huh?
Fruit.
And on the tree we will see monkeys jumping up and
Yes.
down on the tree.
And
And we see the beehive and honeybee. Honeybee will make
Yes.
beehives on the tree. Huh? And parrots will be there. And we see on the tree, squirrels will be running up and
Yes.
down. Okay?
Yes.
So the tree is really a great help not only to the human beings, to the animals and the birds, for everyone. So it's our duty to protect plants and trees because they are really helpful for everyone. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So I said trees help us, giving us shades and fruits. Okay. The trees are home for animals, birds and insects. Okay. Then
Yes, ma'am.
they have, many trees have colorful flowers and leaves. Okay, big leaves, small leaves, red flowers, yellow flowers, blue flowers, so many beautiful flowers we can see on the trees. So, the trees and plants make our surroundings beautiful. Isn't it? Can you imagine if there are no greenery, if there are no plants and trees around us, we will feel like we are in the desert.
Yes.
Because of these beautiful plants and trees, we could live a beautiful and happy life. They make our surroundings beautiful. So they give us fruits, they give us vegetables, they give us beautiful flowers. Okay, early morning if you stand out, you will get very good smell of different flowers because early morning is the time that they are opening up slowly. Okay, so you will get fresh air with a beautiful and nice smell of different kinds of flowers. Okay, animals also are useful for us because dogs take care of the house, cats will chase away or kill the rats, they will safeguard our house, and cows give us milk and we can use it. Its dung can be used as manure for the plants. So it's our responsibility to take care of the plants and animals in and around us. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Is this chapter clear to you?
Yes.
Okay, my dear children, I'll be sending the notes today. You can check with the notes. You can write it down. Learn nicely, okay? All the points you have to learn. So for now, I wind up. See you in the next class. Bye. Take care. Yeah. Happy weekend. Okay, enjoy your Sunday tomorrow. And come back safe and healthy. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Bye bye.